I think it's almost vital for a career in the field.
Students getting hands-on experience at ASU's new Interdisciplinary Science and Technology 12 Center.
Students can take your classes, go and attend the labs, and if you're a research student, have your offices here as well. And so it's co-located in one building that represents advanced manufacturing. To me, that proximity plays an integral role in how learning happens for students.
The building just opened up in October, now busy with dozens of students hard at work during one of the center's many classes.
This building represents some state-of-the-art equipment. We are having training students on bachelor's degrees in manufacturing engineering, a bachelor's degree in robotics engineering, as well as its master's and PhD counterparts. So what this represents is state-of-the-art equipment with hands-on training, with theoretical knowledge, but also applied it with equipment that is actually used in the industry. What you see around me is industrial robots that are used in the factories today. So students learn how to program them, students learn how to build projects around them, and as engineers, we train them on ensuring that this equipment is operational, it's utilized for the production of whatever the product is being produced.
Many of the skills learned in this room, students can apply to a job right out of college.
A lot of familiar things. We're getting familiar with the PLCs. PLCs are used widely in manufacturing, everything from assembly lines to more complex applications. We're using AI quite a bit. Sometimes we use it to write our code for us. Other times it's visual recognition. It's all of those applications that are starting to be used in the real world. So it's very kind of future-based, if that makes sense.
My favorite part about this course, especially that it's being hosted at the Polytechnic campus, is the hands-on experience every student gets. Whether you've never touched a robot before in your whole life or you've had countless experience with prior jobs, everyone gets a great head start, and you immediately get started with industry-level robots, and that can be immediately applied to future job opportunities right after school.
Irene Snyder, Fox 10 News.